Let your children see the tigers, though let them be to be a part of history. Today, I Suchita of Class 10th B is going to present a small speech on International Tigers Day. Global Tigers Day is celebrated on July 26th as a way to raise awareness about this magnificent and endangered big cat. This day was founded in 2010 when the 13 tiger range countries, came together to create the global to double the number of the wild tigers of the year 2022. The importance of the day is to create awareness of the declining tiger population and conservation tigers globally. The aim of the day is to help promote a worldwide system nearby. We are addicted to protecting tigers and their natural habitats. We can also use day to support the conservation issues and to raise awareness. After all, when more people are aware of something, they are going to be more inclined to help, and that is why this day is so important. There are a number of different issues that tigers all around the world face. There are a number of threats that are driving tigers lose the extinction, and we can do our bit to make sure that we don't lose these incredible creatures. Some of the threats are habitat loss, poaching, conflict with hunches, etc. From the beginning of 20th century, around 95% of the tiger population has been lost in the various activities like poaching. India has been always leading in conserving its national animal. Project Tiger has launched in India in the year 1978 because of the planned efforts under Project Tiger. In the current situation, India has the maximum number of tigers in the world. In a country level assessment in the year, India noticed a 30% increase of tigers in the year 2014. India has 75% of the tiger population amongst the total global tiger population. There are different colors of tigers like white tigers, brown tigers with black strips, and golden tigers. It is such a pleasant sight to watch the charismatic animals walk in all the majesty. Let them live happily in their nature habitats and breed more in number of them. Love and let the tiger live, because the world will not be the same if tiger are not there to thrill us and to balance us. Thank you and have a nice day.